Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the third University Fair at DPS International. This is in a way first of a kind as it is a virtual one. The previous two were on the school campus. I'm very happy and grateful that so many universities from both home and overseas are here this evening, or whatever time it may be at your end, to help our students explore choices they have after school and be a part of our vision for them. I also welcome our dear students from other schools, parents, guests and teachers, and wish all of them a fruitful interaction. What a year this has been. The whole world moved indoors and teaching and learning and all aspects of our lives moved online. At DPS International, this transition was quite smooth as the community faced the novel situation with novel energy. We imbibed the new normal with confidence and foresight. This was possible because of the high adversity quotient our community showed as a result of accepting and acknowledging change. In fact, we were among the first few schools in this region which quickly adapted to this change and went completely online within a very short span of time. We realized the tremendous power change has if steered in the right direction. After all, we can't control what has happened, but we can control how we are responding to the situation. It's not the strongest of the species that survives or the most intelligent, but the most responsive to change, emphasized Darwin in The Origin of Species. Now it is most important that we keep our feet on the ground, stay positive, monitor our emotions, and direct our minds and hearts towards building a future we want for our students and for ourselves. As George Curios says, and I quote, "What is helping me get through today is the vision of a better version of tomorrow," unquote. One thing which has been reiterated in this online world is that the relationships and connections are more important than the curriculum content, and that learning is so much bigger than just what happens in the schools. And I believe that when we return to school, we will cherish even more the relationships we have with one another. Let us also accept the fact that the world is full of chaos at this moment, and it hasn't spared the realms of the higher education. The DPSI University Fair has always been a common platform which brings the best of the universities to the real stakeholders, the students and the parents and the educators. This year we realized that the need was much more than ever before to bring them together due to the uncertain scenarios created by the pandemic and the multiple questions our parents and students have. So our fair is a platform which celebrates diversity, teamwork and international mindedness, and I commend you all for reaching out from different parts of the globe to make this journey of higher education as inclusive as possible. Let us be the silver lining amongst the dark clouds of uncertainty for our students. All of us here are aware that this virtual model is not going anywhere, and the new reality will see the world adapting to a hybrid structure. Acknowledging constraints, flipping them into opportunities is what has made today's event a reality. In fact, last year we had 46 universities on the school campus, and this year we have more than 60 on this virtual platform. Undoubtedly, our common interests and the spirit of interdependence has been crucial in this collaboration, and I appreciate the positive spirit and enthusiasm displayed by all of you. There are milestones to achieve, and we are getting there, not individually but collectively. The impetus to forge relationships with universities, providing pathways for our students to realize their dreams, will continue to be our vision in this highly challenging era. I hope the next few hours will be very productive for all involved, with interesting and stimulating discussions. And I sincerely wish that this fair will be the beginning of a long and fruitful relationship between the school and all the participating universities. I once again welcome you all to make the most of this evening. Let us invest our time in who actually matter, which are our students. Namaste.
Yetu, yetu, Good evening. On behalf of the management, staff and students of DPS International Gurgaon, I'd like to thank all the university officials, representatives, the members of the breakout session for making this university fair at DPS International a grand success. We'd like to thank you for taking time out of your very busy schedule to be with us today. You bring with you a sea of knowledge and experience which I'm sure will transform several students' lives today and will guide them about the future choices. This indeed is going to be a turning point in several students' lives, and we recognize your role in this important decision making. In happier times, in pre-COVID times, we would have welcomed you at school over hot samosas and a cup of coffee. We probably would have talked about the state of education and a lot that is going on around this world, but that was not to be. Let's take a rain check. We will meet next year on a much grander scale at DPSI, all of us together. We are appreciative of the fact that some of you have been very, very important in placing our students this year in various universities in India and abroad. We'd like to acknowledge your role and deeply thank you for all that you've done for our students. We hope you will continue to extend the same support to our student community in future as well. To the members of the breakout session, I'd like to say a big thank you. Dr. Mehna Singh, we know you lead a busy life. You are a very busy educationist. Thank you so much for agreeing to be a panelist, a moderator in one of the breakout sessions. Ms. Kanika Marwa and Mr. Abhishek Gupta are like family. We turn to them for very, very important decisions that we make about students' future plans. They've never let us down, and here they are today to support us in another university fair. Thank you, friends, for being here with us. I hope all of you will have a great evening and will go back with great learnings. On this note, I'd like to thank all present here once again. Thank you.